But guys, Summertime Kev's here, and when Summertime Kev is not out playing with toys like boats and cars and jet skis and fishing, he's in the kitchen. He's in Poppy's kitchen. So today, Poppy's kitchen, we're going to cook poboys, and we're gonna do shrimp poboys. A few little shrimp, get them cooked up in the air fryer, make up the remoulade sauce, and a nice little refreshing beverage to go with that. And come with me, let's see how this turns out. Just needs a little bit of cornstarch, not much. A little bit there, not a lot. Poof. And we're gonna take the shrimp, it's already thawed out. It's gotta be thawed out and kind of patted dry. It doesn't have to be super dry or wet, it don't matter. It's gonna go in the air fryer. So let's season up some Old Bay in here. A little bit of that, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. And then what we'll do, we're just gonna coat these in that. Just mix that up first, maybe. I'll put them on a clean one. And these are going to go in the air fryer for not more than probably 7-8 minutes. Kind of small shrimp. They'll cook up good. They'll be good for the sandwich. It's quite a few shrimp for a poor boy. It's got 3, 6, 9, 10 shrimp. Because it's just going to be a half. I'm not doing a full foot long. Alright, so these all powdered up. And let's get, I'm going to go put these in the air fryer. They're going in the air fryer. I'll start off with 7 minutes, I think, and 400 degrees. Won't take them very long. And give them 1 squirt of olive oil. This will be a rum punch spritzer. A little ginger ale. A little rum punch. And you got it all ready to go. Alright, let's make the sauce to go on this and get. So just need a little bowl. That'll be enough. Little mixer. I guess a spoon will do. Spoonful of mayonnaise. Any kind of mayonnaise. That's a splash of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, wherever you're from, that says it different. There we go. Splash of that. And you gotta have a splash of hot sauce. This is scorching habanero. A splash or 2 of that. Ooh, ooh, make it Cajun. And that needs a tiny bit of garlic in there. Fresh garlic is good. This just happens to be minced. A little bit of that in there. Hot sauce. Mustard. I prefer brown mustard, but today I just have yellow mustard. A little pinch of that. Stir that up. And let's give that a little taste. That It's some kicked up mustard right there. I mean, kicked up mayo. That's good. That'll be perfect. Give this time to set. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, that's good. Today, we're in Middle Tennessee, Poppy's Kitchen, and weather outside is it's not frightful, but it's cloudy, rainy, sunny, cloudy, rainy, sunny. So I've been on the lake the last 7-8 days, so just figured I'd just take the day off, cook myself something good to eat, show you how to cook a po' boy. Let me check on that shrimp real quick and see where we're at on that. Oh yeah, they're almost done. They're crispy. They're not going to be breaded, so to speak. They're just going to be kind of crisp because I just put cornstarch on them. So let's get a slice of tomato and some lettuce. On the vine tomatoes. I just got off the vine, and we're going to use the Christmas present knife. And I got a chef's knife for Christmas. This bad boy is great. I mean, it's razor sharp. I've enjoyed this so much. Don't need that part. We're just going to slice this. It's kind of thin. Maybe not see-through thin, but pretty thin. And if you have pickles, you can do sliced pickles on this sandwich. That's pretty much the standard. I don't have to. I might do, what have I got? So we got these pretty thin. We won't use all those. Alrighty, gotta check on the bread and the shrimp. Bread? Oh, fresh out of the microwave. Well, yeah. It was frozen, so I thawed it. It's perfect. I got the shrimp in there 6 minutes. I'm going to check this one just to see how it is. Make sure we got them just right. Oh yeah. Oh, they're going to come out. Those are popping. Don't need to cook them any longer. Now these shrimp aren't going to be like the most beautiful shrimp you've ever seen, but I'm telling you, who would have thought an air fryer could cook shrimp? I do coconut shrimp in there. I do any kind of fried shrimp or shrimp for recipes. I also saute shrimp a lot, but which gives it a little bit different. But cooking in the air fryer on 400, it's like simple. It's bam. And actually, these probably need to get a little cold quick so they're quick cooking. But I'm not going to ice them down because they're fixing to go in the sandwich, so everything's going to be good. So, but I mean, air fryer for shrimp? Yes. Yes. Definitely yes. Who would have thought that? So what I got right here is I'm going to cut this, but not all the way through, because I kind of want it to break, not. I want it to open up like that. Just get on a plate here. A bowl. Iceberg lettuce is always a winner. I have some romaine here. It doesn't matter what kind of lettuce, but I like it to be crunchy, so I'm going to use these center parts that are real crunchy and give this a little chop. And we don't need, pickles would be nice. I think I have pickles. I got some banana peppers. Tell you what we're gonna do. And since I don't see the pickles, I'm gonna do chow chow. Yes, chow chow. Nothing wrong with that. It basically is, it's for hamburgers, hot dogs, sandwiches, salads, pinto beans, and po' boys now. So let's lay these out. And I'm gonna get to shrimp on here next. That's a lot of shrimp for a po' boy right there. Where's that one gonna go? Right there. And then I'm actually going to, this is gonna be I was gonna get fancy, put it in a squirt bottle that I always use, but this is gonna be a drizzle. Just like that. And then this lettuce is gonna go on there next. And just some chow chow. Didn't have to be a lot. Just gonna blob it on there. It's kind of like pickle. If you never had chow chow, it's really good. It's got lettuce in there. You know I can't read the ingredients. Yes, I can. Cabbage, vinegar, water, sugar, red bell pepper. Didn't know that. Onions. So basically, similar to pickle. Let's go ahead and kind of give this a little push down. And that is going to be hard to fold, because we are folding that baby up. She is almost done. That's it. Not super pretty, but let's try it. Need to be smushed down some more. This is what counts. The taste. Now I can see those shrimp, tomatoes, lettuce, that sauce I made. The shrimp is perfect. The shrimp is popping. It's still, you can taste the little bit of seasoning I put on the shrimp, and then that sauce, the crispiness of the lettuce, tomato. Oh man, that is good. Wow. I nailed that one. I knew that was gonna be good. Maybe could have made it slightly spicier, but this sauce is just right. Make this one. This one's good. Easy. 15 minutes or less. And I just used what I had in the fridge. I always keep shrimp in the freezer. It took about, I don't know, 3 minutes to thaw the shrimp out. The way you do it, get anything. I use this. Just a cup, glass, whatever you got. Put your shrimp in it, put it in the sink, Turn your water on cold and let it run into the glass, and it just circulates the water, and I mean within 3 or 4 minutes the shrimp will be thawed. So that's the way to do it. That hits the spot. I'm gonna have to finish this. Sometime Kev in Poppy's kitchen. Checking in, and we're checking out. See you next time.